Promoting festival, Sunburn is likely to come example. How do you see this?
See, I basically believe that drugs are today available all over. You don't require Sunburn to come and make drugs available. They're all shouting over Sunburn and drugs. You tell me there is a festival that is organized for 3 days in Konkani every year, and I'm sure some of you all have gone for the festival. You want to tell me there are no drugs there? Drugs, I believe, are available. It is our responsibility to identify those selling, our responsibility to intimate to the police that it is available here. Let us be proactive. Let us support them. Let us help them. Let us move forward and ensure that there are no drugs available. One side, we talk of drugs. Now you tell me in your own village, drugs are not available?
Yeah.
What are you doing? What am I doing? Nothing. So I feel the time has come when all of us, you and me, should walk hand in hand and let us aggressively attack this menace. We are today summarizing. Everybody is saying drugs, 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 drugs. I also want to know amongst the people who are saying Sunburn is drugs, Sunburn is... How many of them do not ask for passes? I was Environment Minister between 2007 and 2012. I know how many of the then MLAs have asked me for passes. Some of them are still there today. So we have to take it upon ourselves. And that is why I appeal to the students. You see, they are the future. Their parents, look at them as their future. The parents today are willing to undertake any sacrifice for the betterment of his child. So if we can encourage them to stay away from it, let us support them. Let us give them whatever support they require. And let us cooperate with these agencies. And let us try, I use the word try. It's not easy. It's not an easy challenge that I'm talking about. But let us do our small little part and try and see that in our locality at least there is nothing.
So legislators are asking for passes.
No, legislators are asking for passes. Even
So,
you see, you have never approached me for a pass. But I know so many people keep coming. Are pass zero, pass zero, pass zero. And I myself will then phone, maybe madam, maybe him, maybe some of some passes, no please. It happens. You may say passes for Sunburn. We also beg for passes for your football. All of it, part of the game.
No, there was also allegation from the Bagatur Panchayat that even last year they have not paid. So
No. See, I am saying I don't know whether they paid or didn't pay. Why? Because I get the impression that there was a High Court order which directed them to pay before Sunburn was held. I get the impression that they paid. Some 3 crores something was the rent that was demanded by the Kumda. I have the impression that they paid.
No, I am not speaking of the Kumda. The Panchayat tax is supposed to be paid. The
So
Panchayat
what
has claimed.
I would...
So there was the mentality of the organizers.
No, mentality will be many. See, I am a businessman. I would like to save as much as I can. Don't give them permission. Don't allow them to start. Go and stop it till your dues are paid.